guilt-free chocolate and ice cream recipe is so chocolatey and refreshing on a warm day, or really, I actually eat it year round. I love having it for a chocolatey dessert after a great meal, or really anytime during the day that I just want something chocolatey and cool. As you saw, I think it's great with chocolate chips on top, but it's also delicious with drippy peanut butter on top, or walnuts, or olive on top. Pretty much anything that goes well with chocolate ice cream, which is practically everything on the planet, goes really well with this chocolate ice cream. I'll likely be sharing my homemade caramel and hot fudge recipes that I like to also put on top, so stay tuned for those. This recipe is for one person and it's really small, but you could easily double it, triple it. It's best to probably think of like a banana for each person. I love that you don't need an ice cream maker for this. You can just use a blender or a food processor. Both of those work so well. I also love that it's vegan, whole food, plant-based, sugar-free, dairy-free, and just completely guilt-free chocolate. And who doesn't love that? I would love to hear your thoughts on this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me, and I will see you on the next one.